Welcome back, guys. This is Cosmo, and this is Will We Make It? All right, for another quick market update. Today is May 13th. Some promising news in the world of crypto. It appears that tomorrow, Thursday, May 14th, they will vote on the Clarity Act. This is crucial. This is huge. This is the catalyst we need for crypto. Again, this will allow crypto to get market structure, stable coin yields. Of course, the banks are all against this because the banks all want their own money. They want you to put your money in their institutions and not in crypto. And with them offering less than 0.1, 0.2, 0.3% interest, I mean, you're not even making any money. So with the Clarity Act will allow stable coins to yield significantly better interest on your crypto. So this is huge. The whole crypto market is waiting for this vote. Let me go ahead and pull it up. Again, the banks are trying to do a last minute lobbying to delay this vote. We'll see what happens. Fingers crossed. Hopefully everything will go through. Again, they've been delaying this for over a year now. So again, tomorrow is a big day. Make sure you keep an eye open. Again, I don't see much movement as far as crypto, but I do see new all-time highs coming from this in the long run, in the long term. Not right away, but in the long term. We might actually see some pullback. The S&P is down now. Situations in the Strait of Hormuz is still ongoing. Inflation just hit. CPI came out and it's at a 3-year high, mainly because of fuel and food. Again, that all pertains to the Strait of Hormuz. So either way, dollar cost average, keep money, put money in every week. That's what I'm doing. I'm focusing more on crypto with the new Clarity Act coming out. So I'm going to focus in on that. I'm going to wait for a big, I'm predicting a pretty nice pullback in the market. If that comes, that'll be an excellent dip buy opportunity. So we'll keep our eyes open. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.